toes touch together. Drop it. Oh. You got a smile on your face.
That was good.
Where did you feel that?
I felt that at least down to like my mid back.
Okay, good. Stay right there. So now we're going to adjust the cervical spine. Good. You ready for it?
I'm ready.
Okay, good. So we found some cervical misalignments. He had previous neck pain, drop his head down. That was beautiful. Breathe in. And let you get all the way out. Straighten that body. Like put you in there, drop. Oh, wow, that was solid. Stay right there. Okay. And everyone asks why we do this. Make sure it's still kicking. All right, that was good. All right, rest right there. Now, when this stops, I don't want you to come up